Pasad ka na.
Thank you.
And if you're ready, you may now pick your judge for your question. Once again, Miss Atisha Manalo.
Every queen carries a light. What is the light within you that you wish to share to the world?
I believe that would be the light that become an inspiration to others. You know what? I was once a very shy girl who faced bullying. Once I goods in the park just to learn to survive. But you know what? Instead of letting it break me, I used it to become a woman who make a lasting impact. I become a teacher to empower the youth, a model to embrace uniqueness, and now a beauty queen to inspire. My journey proves that pain can transform into purpose, and I will always use my voice, my story the way I always have to, and that is to make a difference in the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alex.